Hi guys, and we here in the park. We just look around here.
We don't know what the park is. It's called the park.
Bear park.
Wow, look at that. Nice. That's so big, huh?
It's a shame it's going away. They're putting the highway right through here.
Oh, we boulders this here.
Well, look for the stakes unless it's going further that way to the right.
Wow, so nice here. The park so big and have a shed though.
Uh-oh, off-roading.
No.
We have to go four-wheel drive. Let's see if
I
we
want
get
to
stuck.
show you guys. Off-road now, off-road. There you go. There's the view. In the mountain.
There's the lake with the bridge.
Yep, there's the lake.
You
We
saw the bridge?
parking there, Anne.
Oh, I'll let you out.
I just walk there. There we go.
There's a picnic area.
I want to show you guys this is a park and not know what's name, but
Are
it's
they
a park
fishing?
here. Look like they're fishing there.
One guy's fishing.
Yeah, they have
The
fish there.
F250.
Yeah, it's like better for towing.
What's the F250?
They have a 350 also.
The F350.
That's
The
like
F-Series.
they're higher up suspension. It's high.
Yep. We go to the other side, RJ.
Yeah, I'm going over to the bridge.
Yep.
And then we park, and then we go.
Yeah, we look at there. Oh, we look at this, the big house there. What's in there? There we go. Here, wow, nice. It's look like a pond, this honey. Have a bird. Nice, honey. RJ.
I'm sure about that.
See the bird there?
A
Okay, we
tassel
go
of-
outside now.
tassel
I'll
of-
be
Guys,
out in a few
we
minutes.
just
I'm gonna
walk.
I gotta finish my coffee, okay?
Okay.
Give him
Okay, we just walk outside. I put this here. The yeah. RJ, wait for me, RJ.
You have to do a double. Remember double?
Okay. Let's see. Whoa, look at the bird. See the bird, see the duck. Not bird, it's a duck.
Looks like a
Huh? Quack, 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 quack. You scared. Quack, 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 quack. I have no food. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, how you're doing? Duck? Wow, look at this here. Here's the duck. Oh. Oh, mini duck here. Look at this, RJ. First time we came here. We just drive around. Here he is. Have a lot of table there. You can eat and picnic. Look at this here, RJ. Quack, 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 quack. There we go. Oh, look at the bird. Oh, the bird, the duck, RJ. Look at the duck. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, maybe you can fishing here, honey. Maybe have fish, honey. Woo! Maybe you can fish, RJ.
wait. You sure about that? You think you
Some
can
park in where? Syracuse?
Yep. Look at this, honey. Maybe have fish.
Yeah, go fishing, go.
Go fishing.
Are you sure?
Okay, we walk there, RJ, that have bridge there, RJ.
What about the other big bridge?
Where? Oh, there. Okay, we go to the big bridge there, RJ. There you go.
Oh.
Careful the step, RJ. Maybe have
Sounds
poo.
like a bear leg.
Bear leg. It's not a bear leg. Quack,
Sounds
quack,
like
quack.
What do I put it?
Quack. It's a bear leg. It's RJ. Oh, the mini duck here. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, what's this? Pigeons. Oh, I think it's. Oh, there is the duck.
Those are ducks.
But this is pigeons. Woo!
They don't like you.
Woo! Bird! Come here to me. Hold. Hold. Come into my shoulder, bird.
This is kind of weed you got in the garden.
Huh?
See these?
What?
This kind of weed grown in the garden.
Oh, yes. Yeah, like that.
The garden's nice and soft and nice. You can put those weeds out right away. Oh, what do they call those birds? The big beaks?
Where?
Right there. Behind it? Look at that.
Oh, look like a
Over there too.
flamingo.
Flamingo?
Ane?
Yeah.
Like a flamingo that ane. It's so big.
It's not, they're not flamingos. It's something else.
Oh, yeah, but look like the flamingo look like pink, ane.
What's a big beak? It's a different name. I forget what they're called.
Ooh, ang ganda dito, oh. Nice. What you do, RJ?
Somebody planted grass.
Wow, look at that. This is RJ. Come here, RJ. We look out here.
Band on it.
Huh?
You have a band.
Oh, have a band here. See, have a light.
Let's see what it says. Fishing.
Let's see.
Fishing regulations. Only 2 fish.
Wow, 2 fish
Not
only.
2 fish.
Oh, fishing regulation.
12-year-old and older must possess a valid Utah fishing.
Limited only 2 fish.
RJ can't fish.
Yeah.
A fishing license.
12 years old and older must be processed a valid Utah
Look at this.
fishing
No
license.
jumping, diving or swimming.
Ooh,
No swimming.
how was the fishing? He asked you, Arjun. Jumping, diving.
The bridge, maybe.
Here's the bridge. Look at the. That's why you have people fish here, Hanya. You can fish. Look at
The
that.
highway's going right past there. Look, look at it. They're not going to. They're leaving this. Look, you see the stakes all the way down there. It's going to curve.
Oh, yeah, it's.
So we're not going to take this out. It's over there.
Yep.
You can see the stakes. I
A
can
lot
see
of houses there.
it. So this is saved.
Yep. Look at this. Nice.
There's a wedding to it. Oh, look, there's an outhouse. They already carved it out. The road.
Oh, there's the road in the middle, the road of highway
The
here.
freeway.
Here he is. Look at this, RJ.
Let me go back to where we were.
That's a highway there. Highway. That
The
the
highway, yeah.
construction
I did not work.
is starting now to Sorby highway. And here is. You look at here, RJ. We go here, RJ. We go here. It's cold, RJ. Let's see the bird. Oh, I'm duck here.
Don't slide on that. Slide.
You have to be careful. See, look at the. Have a fish here, RJ. Oh, it's not at cement. I think cement. Have fishing there, RJ. Look. Yeah. There is other lake here. Oh, what this, honey? Fun? Lake or
I've
fun?
driven by. I've always known this was here. I've driven by, but I never drove in to look.
Look at the duck, 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 duck. Come here, duck. Look at that, so big.
There's some kind of party there. It's probably a wedding.
Yeah, maybe a wedding. But they getting ready the equipment for maybe have a band there, RJ.
Are you sure about that?
I'm not sure. Ooh.
Oh, people must feed them.
Yeah. Yep.
What?
Tee.
Ducks come over on this side.
Yeah, maybe have people feeding
They have
here.
food.
Yep. Yep. Here's underneath
So you
the
can feed.
bridge, RJ. Mani siya ang taytayan.
What is this?
Some
What
kind of
is-
material they built up. It doesn't erode.
Yep.
What?
You learned that in class. Remember the project? The land, the plains, all the different landscapes.
You can bike here too. Have a path.
Wow.
Okay, we go here, Ajay.
You go down there.
Look at her. Whoa! Oh, what's that there? Quack, 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 quack. Quack. What you do there? You have eggs? Oh no! You make hungry. You have eggs. What you do? There he is. Oh, we go there on the water. See? Have water. Look at. Yep. We just walking here, guys.
So many bird nesters.
Yep. Look at that house. We here in Syracuse, Utah.
This is the most unbelievable bench ever.
Really.
Yeah, definitely.
Be careful. It slide. Here, come here. Here's the duck. Here's the water here. The water. Look at this here. Here's the water. Look.
What is this water spring bunch?
Wow, so big this area here. Look at that. Daddy is there. He's so far away. Okay, go back now. We go to Daddy. It's Daddy.
Well, that's a quacking duck over there.
He angry the duck.
Go back there. Go there.
No, he bite me.
Good.
Good. Nice here, only bird. You can hear the bird. See the bird. Where's the bird? I cannot see. There's the duck. Maybe have eggs, RJ. That's why they angry to me.
Yeah, it's a bear.
Ooh, see that? Maybe have concert today. There is.
Look at that. Look at that duck.
Whoa, look at that, so big.
That's pink.
Ooh, peekaboo. Okay guys, we're here in the other side. We're just walking around. There is people fishing here. We just slowly to talk so that we're not here. Look at that. It's fishing. Wet. Don't do that. You make me wet. Come here.
What?
Yeah, come here now. We go to Daddy now. Here. Here is the shade picnic area. Picnic area. RJ. Where's Daddy, RJ? We go to the other side. Where's Daddy? Where's
Right to the
Daddy?
secret part.
Where's Daddy? Oh, Camaro that, RJ. Nice.
No, that's not a car. That's a Dodge.
Oh, Dodge.
Dodge.
Don't do that.
Dodge.
Nice. Nice car, guys. Oh,
Dodge.
yep.
Watching the sidelines.
Here is
And inside they have,
freedom.
they're setting up tables for like food. You know.
The duck.
How to get nothing.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Those are
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Yeah, you're talking. What you talking, duck? You want to eat food? I have no food.
oh, what?
You want a food? I have no food.
Food.
What?
Food.
I have no food.
Let me look you up,
Yeah. Bird, oh. See the bird, RJ? I go here. I look at this, the stream here, RJ. This is the stream. You look at the water here, RJ. Here's the water. Slippery. Ocean are just slippery. There you go. There he is. We're here now in the other side. Where's the fish, Orja? You can see the fish.
Oh, look, there's a big duck.
Ooh. Look like flamingo, but it's not flamingo. Flamingo is look like a pink color. Look at this here. We're here now in the other side. Before we there. Oh, there in that before. And the breeze. Look at this, RJ. Careful. It's a big rock here. But this rock.
I can rock. I can rock.
You can rock. You can rock. You can dance. Oh. Only little bit here, Doc, RJ.
Stay on that big rock.
Why?
I'm coming.
Ooh.
Like that.
No.
Big
no.
That.
Be careful, how you slip. Come here now. Okay. That's it for now. Okay guys, that's it for the video today, and see you next video. Bye bye. Here he is, the duck. Bye bye, duck.
Why didn't we feed them a
We go home now.
You have 10 ducks fighting for it.
Yeah.
I'll give them 10 flies.
Here's duck.
Throw one fry.
Have fry. Okay, you throw the other one side.
Wrong one.
Wrong one. Okay. You give the duck fry because he hungry. Duck! Mm. Oh my god, he's flying, honey. Come here.
You get it?
Yeah.
You eat it?
Okay, no more now.
That one duck.
They're all coming. They're lined up.
Yeah.
Single file. Okay.
Yeah. He lined up. My goodness.
What are they doing now?
There is the entrance there.
Are they following us?
Now they're going back.
Entrance. Is the water full? RJ?
The bike path right there.
Yep, bike path. Oh, there is
Right, there's one.
the name. Jensen Nature Park.
Jensen. Nature Park.
Yep, there is. Here in Syracuse, nice here to walk and relax. Nice, look at this big fort. Only few people. Nice. Yeah, that's it. There's the orange. This is the new highway. Orange line. That's look at that, a lot of cow.